Fixing small image defects with the Spot Healing Brush tool. Choose the Spot Healing Brush tool from the palette over here. And let's review the settings in the options. You can change the brush size here, and mode normal will work how you expect it to. There are other modes that we can experiment with as well. And the type that seems to work best is this first one, Heal with Content-Aware Fill. Now, since we want to work non-destructively, we need to make sure that we're sampling from all the layers, and then we'll be painting our new pixels on a new layer. So we need to make sure that this button, Samples Clone Data from Composited Data, is active. Now that that is all set, let's create a new layer. And let's get rid of these terrible aphids. Yuck! I hate to see these. So I'm just going to adjust my brush size here. And I'm going to take care of getting rid of the body of the insect first. And then we'll deal with the legs. Since these are pretty big, I don't want to mess with too much of the image at one time. So we got the bodies gone. And now let's concentrate on getting those unsightly legs off the rose petal here. And notice that I'm painting on the layer 1, so this is not actually painting on the original pixels. And I'll show you what we can do with that at the end. Okay, those two bugs are mostly gone. And then let's work on the other ones. For these ones, I'm just going to set my brush to a big enough size to just kind of cover them up. And I'm just kind of dabbing on them. Sometimes you don't actually have to brush, you just dab on it, and this tool will work great. So we'll use that same, get rid of the body and then take care of the legs. Okay, this is looking much better already. Now, if we're working with getting rid of wrinkles is one way that you can use this tool too. Sometimes after you've removed all the wrinkles and you zoom out and you look at the person's face, they don't look very natural. So if you wanted to bring back the wrinkles but just not have them as pronounced, you can change the opacity of the layer that you made the adjustments on. And so if we want to see the ghosts of these insects, we can just change the opacity. And like I said, this will work with wrinkles pretty well. And just kind of adjust it to taste. My taste is I don't want to see the insects at all. So we're going to change that to 100% opaque. Bam, they're gone. Project complete.